Hi, Tim from Timberline here. I'll show you a video on a 2011 E350 5.4 box fan that was completed at our shop. This is a full build out. So it's, like I said, 2011 10-foot cutaway. It's got a Supreme composite box on the back with a sliding door on the side. Aluminum trim, big windows. Basically nothing on this van has been untouched. I'll try to go through as much of it as I can, but it's not likely that I'll be able to cover absolutely everything. Van has a Fiamma awning on this side. That's a hard shell awning. We've got auxiliary lighting all around the roof. Backup camera there, which is really nice. Gives you clearance all the way down to the rear bumper, so hitching up a trailer, super nice. Custom tire carrier on the back. We've built a custom walkable roof rack platform with loads of Zamp solar. Has a side ladder access there to get up on top. Little roof basket there that is removable easily if you're not into that. Van has had tow mirrors added. Standard front bumper on this guy still. This has a 6-inch coilover conversion on it that we've done. It's a solid axle Dana 60. We've got our Elka coilover springs there on our custom towers with our adjustable 4-link down there. This pushes the axle on this particular unit about 1.5 inches forward. We've got, like I said, our D60 up underneath here, some JKS quick disconnects, Hellwig sway bar. This fan has 410s in it. You can see we've got our high steering arm over on this side. This one still has a E-series drag link on it. We do these a couple different ways, but this is a nice solution for the coilover vans because it gives you a little bit more clearance for the tie rods. The Pitman stabilizer setup that we're putting on our current vans. This one has a lower ratio shock that we just left in place from when it was originally built. This van has had about 15,000 miles on it since build, and it's actually here on consignment. The couple that owned it have taken on additional family and they need more seats. So this van does have capacity for just 2 people in the front. It is a full build out in the back. So I'll try to go over that with you here. We've got a little side step and a little barbecue port here. This unit has power step there. We've got some little kind of spotlighting, or here we've got some kind of little spotlighting that we've put in here and there. You can see opposite this side here is our shower unit. I'll go over that with you here after I kind of show you the rest. We've got custom seats in the front. These are pre-run. For heaters. We just haven't wired them yet. System. It has a full audio system upgrade with an in-dash head unit. Like I said, backup camera, new speakers, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. Replaced the steering wheel while it was here, so it's got a brand new leather steering wheel. I've got some controls for auxiliary heater that's in the back. A little storage behind the driver's seat here with a little flip-out rack. This unit has a massive refrigerator. This is a 3-way refrigerator, so propane, 110 and 12 volt. Got our laminate flooring. There's a little bench over here on this side. These are removable cushions that work both as a seat as well as cushions for the bed. This unit has a bed, electric drop-down bed that works on kind of an office desk type system. These are the largest pistons they offer, good for way more than anything close to what the bed weighs. The bed frame is aluminum. You can see our little controls here for that. We have 110 and 12 volt throughout. All the cabinetry in this unit was done by Overland Interiors in Canada. It's all Baltic birch. The ceiling and the back doors are done in cedar. So it smells nice in here. We've got our max fan and the headliner there, and our galley unit over here. So here we've got our sink with the flip down faucet there, and our propane stove. I want to say this unit has like a 9-gallon propane tank, if I remember right. It's underneath. You can see our water tank here with all of our controls for hot and cold water there. Little drawer with documents. Some window covers for the windows. And over here on this side is kind of cool. There's a little pull-out slide, so you can put your computer out, open up the back doors and pull your laptop out and do some work. So shower unit, and then a little guy there for utensils. Yeah, so pretty cool setup. We've got some electronics up there, lighting controls. This unit has a ton of electronics in it. There's a red arc battery, red vision controller for charger and solar on the roof. There's, I want to say 400 watts of solar on the roof, maybe 430. Dimmable controls here that can control the color of the lights and all that. Power inverter, remote, max air fan. This has a hydronic heating system in it, so it will heat both the water as well as the forced air heater, which is neatly tucked up underneath this back corner here, blows out in behind this grate. And we've got an additional hot water tank over here on this side. This is heated by the engine coolant as well, so you can have additional capacity and basically set your temperature to whatever you want for your hot water. There's a mixer for the sinks, there's a mixer for the sink side, but not the shower. The shower you've kind of set by just setting your temperature down here. Got our cushions in, all corner to corner here. Aluminum bed surface. And our controls. Here we've got the bed down. Crack open the back doors for a beautiful view. Dimmable lighting. So yeah, that kind of concludes our tour of this guy here. Very cool van, unique features, good usable condition, and just kind of a really cool layout for somebody who wants to get out and have some fun. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.